do you feel about mommy making these videos? Do you not understand? No? You farted? Good morning, everybody. This morning has been very difficult of day 2 of Orkambi. Breathing is very hard. It's taking a lot of effort. It's complicated. It kind of felt this morning like I woke up and my lung functions are back at 30. So I kind of had a bit of a panic attack within my brain, and yeah, but I'm feeling better now. It's still difficult, but it's not as bad. I've been up for about an hour and a half and I've taken my 3rd dose. And yeah, that's pretty much what I've done so far. I'm having a weird nauseous but hungry kind of feeling, and it just keeps going back and forth. I'm not really sure which one I am more of, so I ate most of what I could and drank a shake to try to fill in what I couldn't get of the rest of it. There's a shake right there. But I just finished filming the morning part for my little weekly Orkambi thing that I'm doing. And I had said in the video a couple of days ago I was going to upload them on Sunday or Monday, but I'm thinking of doing them on Wednesday since I started on a Wednesday. It just seems to make more sense to get the full 7 days in there. So I'm going to do that. And it's pretty much all I've done so far today and decided and whatnot. But I did work on my website a bit this morning. And for those of you who don't know, I do have a website. I know I've gotten a lot more people watching since I first started making these videos, and my website is called diaryofasickgirl.com. I'll have the link for it down below. And I started to work on a new page writing, and in the whole CF community part of my website, I had uploaded all of the Orkambi videos as well as the sickness equality videos I worked on a few months ago, kind of as a little hub for where everything's going to be all in one place. So if you want to read what I have on there and you want to watch these videos, you can just go to the website and just see all of my daily Orkambi videos and everything all in one place, as well as a place that I'm going to talk about in writing everything that's going on. So yeah, that's all I have to say for right now, and I'm going to go and lay down because I'm really worn out and I have to go do my treatment. So as my lungs like to remind me, I'm gonna update you guys on how my 3rd set of treatments after the 3rd dose goes, and because I'm feeling different after each time I'm doing them, so I guess we should see. My brother is amazing. Treatments are done and I drank a bit of my smoothie and I'm feeling better. My headache is still pretty bad, but I'm breathing a little easier. I got up and did some yoga for a couple of minutes and that helped. And now Mom and I are headed to the store to grab a couple of things, and I guess we'll see how being out and around is handled by whatever's going on right now inside of my body. And yeah, but right now I'm okay. So shopping has been very interesting today. Interesting and not exactly the best way. I'm having a lot of hot flashes walking, which is really strange. I'm having to stop a lot, and if this buggy wasn't in front of me, I would be on the floor probably, because this is the 3rd store I've been in, and luckily this one's cooler than the last few because it was getting a little bit ridiculous. But I'm hanging in there. It kind of feels like I did when my lung functions were at 30%. So that's a great flashback there. But I'm hanging in there. I know I can get past this, which, that's what's important. That's what I'm holding on to, is the fact that I know I can handle this. I just keep reminding myself that. But my throat keeps like closing off in the middle of me talking, like mid-sentence, my voice will just stop. I had a lot of eye crying earlier, like I was just sitting there and any kind of light, my eyes would just start crying, but luckily that's settled. I think it was about half an hour into being out and about that stopped. I think this is what they need. Now I'm looking for memory cards so I can shoot those videos while I'm home. And I can't find any. Well, the ones at home are full and they have things on them that I don't want to delete. And I don't trust computers to not break and me lose it forever, so I'm keeping them. So I need more, and I can't find any that are big enough for what I need. So, third store looking for that. It's fun. But, yeah, I'm going to go look for that. So I'm home. I'm now getting a horse. Which I actually read someone earlier today said they're in day 2 or 3 and their horse as well. So, no, that's normal. The hot flashes are still happening, and I'm still feeling very weird. My blood sugar feels really low, so I'm about to go and check it and just see what's going on and eat something, so whatever it is feeling just goes away. And that's about it. I still didn't find those memory cards, so that was a bust. But I think I'm going to go and order them in a computer program that I want to kind of help me edit all of that and stuff whenever I'm done talking to you guys. That's pretty much all I have to say. I'm kind of just like out of it. It feels like I'm on a boat and the boat's just like rocking back and forth. So my mom was looking for this thing all night last night, and I was like, go look in the closet in my bedroom. It's right here. I'm gonna go bring that to her whenever I walk out of here. And yeah, that's about it right now. I'm gonna go and update the big camera and kind of give a little more detail of everything. And I will catch up with you guys after I check my blood sugar and hopefully feel a little bit better. Also, I bought this chair for my room today, and Ava is absolutely in love with it. She just jumped up and popped a squat. And this has been her ever since we got home, huh? You look so sweet. Do you like your new chair? Yes? Look very cozy. I love you. That was weird. Oh, now we're all good. We are all good. You were holding your sneeze for a long time. I got your foot. We're just gonna lay here for a second, like this. I'm not looking forward to having to do this the way I feel right now. But life goes on, I guess. So, sorry, Jack. About 85. I had a large smoothie about an hour and a half ago. So, it's kind of a little strange for me, but nacho time, so I'm not complaining. Also, we have this. My mom just gave it to me. I don't know if she wants me to eat it or she told me to save it for her, so I'll save it for her just in case. So I got these chips at Sam's. So freaking good and great with cheese. By the way, I had taken my little mason jar and decided to make it a little cheese store. It's working out good. I'm enjoying it. So Ava and Mom went to go and bring my brother to Walmart and grab a couple things, and I need light bulbs that we forgot to get. But she's staying with me for the first couple of nights just while I'm adjusting, I guess. So I'm very thankful that she's able to do that for me. Here you go. You can have some. So, there's that. And now I'm like talking and trying to eat, and I'm distracting myself. So Ava and I are catching up on the episodes of our shows that we've missed this week. We caught up with Chasing Life earlier before we went shopping. Now we have The Fosters and Pretty Little Liars. Very excited. I was so upset I missed the episodes this week, but so happy ABC Family has like the whole online thing you can watch, because I don't know what I would do if I missed my shows and I couldn't catch them at all. Too complicated, you know. First world problems, for real. But yeah, we're gonna go to our shows and eating. Ava's excited. I got way too many chips. That's okay. These are going in storage because they're going on sale. So I bought way too many, but they will be spread out. And yeah, we're going to do that. So I just finished doing my second dose of casein for the day. And I'm doing it later because I was out all day doing errands and whatnot, and I'd woken up late. And I started feeling a little better. I came to sit with Ava in the new chair and finish watching our shows, and this started happening. So I'm gonna go call my mom, and I think I'm gonna go to the hospital and see what's going on. I don't want to cry on the internet, but this is really scary. I haven't heard anyone talk about this happening. You know, when they started this drug, so I'm going to call my mom. And I'll catch up with you guys when I can. So I called my mom and she's on her way home to here. I called my dad and they're trying to decide what to do. Because like the hospitals around here have no idea about this drug, and my hospital is 2 hours away, and I messaged Jerome to see if he would have any idea what to do, because he's a EMT and I don't know what to do. And yeah, so I'm gonna call Kelsey and see what's going on, or really not see what's going on, I don't even know what I'm saying, but just kind of just call and cry to her. She's kind of my go-to cry person when I'm coughing up blood. So the first time it ever happened, I was on the phone with her, so it's kind of tradition. So I'm gonna go call Kelsey. So my mom's on the phone with the hospital, and we are just trying to figure out what's going on. So I got off the phone with the doctor. He said it's not enough to rush straight to the hospital, so I'm just keeping an eye on everything right now to see how it goes, and just hope it doesn't happen again. I'm really freaked out to cough again because I don't want to see what I might see, and you know, it's just a waiting game right now. But he told me if it gets worse or if I do it again or whatever, to stop taking the medication for a few days and then start it back up once the bleeding stops. So I have about an hour to decide whether or not I'm going to stop it for tonight and continue later, or just try to push through it. I've talked to a couple of other CF friends that also have blood on the second day or so of their beginning of the Orkambi, so it's not completely a freak thing, which is what I was freaked out about. So yeah, we're just
hanging in there for right now, and I think I am going to just go to sleep. I'm just exhausted. I will catch up with you guys in the morning. I have to go there to Ochsner for my ENT appointment and everything anyway. So we might stop by there and just catch up, whatever. See what's going on, maybe get x-rays, whatever he wants to do. So I will kind of catch up with you guys then, let you know if I'm taking the next dose or not. I think I will, because I'm not, as far as I know, the bleeding stopped, I think. So I think it was just a plug or something that moved around, because so much is coming up. So that's what I'm guessing. I kind of really don't know what else to say, and talking hurts. So I will see you guys tomorrow.